In the previous video, we have seen that how we can implement the trim and cutting functionality in our app. In this video, we will basically see how we can get the output of the process data. Okay, how we can get the output in the form of file of our process data. Okay, so let us first see a demo. This is basically a demo, and here we are selecting a file. Let me select a file. This is basically loading and decoding. So now let us cut the file. Let us say 10 second to 15 second. Let's cut the file from 10 second to 15 second. And now click on export. In this video, we will basically see how we can read it. As you can see, we are getting an WebM file. Okay, we are getting a WebM file as an output of our process data. Okay, so now let us see the code. Okay, so what we did in code, let us open vexport.js. Okay, so what we did in this code, we basically did same as we did in vplay.js. Okay, we use the same code to play audio and video file. Okay, then after that we extend the code. We extend our code with these lines. Okay, what we are doing here, we are actually creating a media recorder. We are creating a media recorder and passing it output stream. Now what is this output stream? Output stream is basically a media stream. Media stream is JavaScript built-in object. Okay, and what this media stream contain? This media stream contain two tracks. Okay, two tracks, audio track and video track. Okay, and how we are getting these two tracks? For audio tracks, we are creating media stream destination, and then we are getting tracks. Okay, here we are getting tracks, and for video stream we are getting capture stream, canvas capture stream, and here we are getting canvas track. Okay, and after the recording start, after the recordings end, on data available, we are basically downloading our file. This is, we are downloading our file. Okay, so I hope guys you like this video. If you want to see the full code, the link is in the description, and if you want to see the demo, the link is also in the description. Take care.